Hook, ever wondered how your money travels from your account to the shop when you tap your card? It's not magic, folks. It's a complex dance of information called a relay. Building context, imagine you're ordering pizza. You place the order, your transaction, and it travels through a series of hands: the waiter, the chef, the delivery guy, until it reaches you. In banking, it's similar, but instead of pizza, it's money, and the hands are complex systems. What is a relay? A relay in banking is essentially the electronic pathway your money takes when you make a transaction. It's a series of interconnected systems and networks that work together to process your payment. Think of it as a high-speed digital highway for money. The players involved. Your bank, this is your starting point. When you make a transaction, your bank processes the request. Card networks, Visa, MasterCard, and others are the main roads of the financial world. They connect banks and merchants. Payment processors, these are the toll booths on the highway. They facilitate the communication between your bank, the card network, and the merchant. Merchant's bank, this is the final stop. The money eventually lands in the merchant's account. How does it work? Let's break it down. When you tap your card, your bank sends a request to the card network saying, "Hey, this person wants to spend X amount of money." The card network verifies your details and authorizes the transaction. Then, it sends a message to the payment processor, who acts as a middleman, communicating with both your bank and the merchant's bank. Authorization versus settlement. It's important to understand the difference between authorization and settlement. Authorization is like getting a green light to proceed. It's a quick check to see if you have enough funds. Settlement is the actual transfer of money, which usually happens within a few business days. Security. You might be wondering about security. Don't worry, the banking world is serious about protecting your money. There are multiple layers of security in place, from encryption to fraud detection systems. Real-world examples. To make things clearer, let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine paying for groceries, buying something online, or withdrawing cash from an ATM. Each transaction follows a similar relay process, but with slight variations. Challenges and innovations. The world of payments is constantly evolving. Issues like fraud, chargebacks, and cross-border transactions present challenges. But innovation is also driving the industry forward, with new technologies like blockchain and biometrics emerging. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A relay in banking is a complex but essential process that makes our financial lives possible. It's a behind-the-scenes operation that ensures your money gets where it needs to go. End screen with call to action, such as subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.